holidays, Miss Pearly.
Police running all in and out the building. What the hell is going on?
It was the night before Christmas, and all through the house, everyone was sick. Thank you. Carving around the Christmas tree on the winter holiday. I was gonna say that.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Happy holidays, Miss Pearly.
Police running all in and out the building. What the hell is going on?
Somebody broke in our apartment this morning and stole all our stuff. That bullshit security.
I sure hope they didn't get the rent money, cause you two niggas been ducking and dodging me for about 3 weeks now. Today is the day you motherfuckers is gonna kick in.
Why you always bring your ass up here with this shit? Harassing us.
With that big old wolf pussy, you come down here all the time smelling like that. Look, you don't even own the place.
You just a manager.
And I'm gonna manage to evict your skinny punk black ass on up out of here today if you two motherfuckers don't pay up your rent.
Manage to get that lined up.
Don't you worry about it, bitch. I know somebody like it.
Don't want a lot for Christmas.
You need to take your ass back downstairs, cause you ain't evicted nobody. Unless you got an army with you.
What?
I don't need no army, Mr. Smart Ass. My son Damon home right now.
Damon!
God bless me.
Yeah, Damon, move.
Come on in, Miss Pearly. Hey,
Oh,
when'd he get out?
last night. And I'm gonna let you two bitches in on a little secret. When you spend 12 years on a level 4 prison yard, you become quite fond of little old girls like yourselves. So either I'm gonna get my rent money today, or somebody getting their salad tossed tonight.
Damn! Hey, you know what? That ain't even necessary.
Sure
Miss
ain't.
Pearly. Me and Day Day, we start our new job today, and I swear to God, we gonna have your money later on tonight. Cash in your hand.
You better. Either you finna come see me, or Damon gonna come see you. Simple as that.
You like cause your son's a fag?
Shut up, bitch. Oh, yeah, Craig. Tell your fine daddy I said,
Hate that bitch.
Carving around the Christmas tree on the winter holiday. All because some snotty kid sneezed all over me. Sneezing around the Christmas tree, I'll be sick all winter break. Just in time to go back to school and get sneezed on once again. My scratchy throat and I can't breathe through my nose. Clorox, Lysol, hand sanitizer. Why can't you just stop their germs? Coughing around a Christmas tree, Santa bring me Mucinex. Netflix and Kleenex on my couch, missing all the winter
You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's
A very special project, giving back to their community. That's all thanks to our own Sylvia Weatherspoon. It's part of her... Excuse me, it's part of...
Have a holly jolly Christmas. XOXO, Gossip Girl.
Last Christmas.
So I'm sick and it's Christmas time. So we're gonna be using this little pot with saline or baking soda or whatever. I'm gonna wash my nostrils out. I'm gonna cry. Burns. I hate this thing. I'm crying. I'm gonna do the other nostril. I'm not having a good time. I think that nostril was worse than the other ones, but oh my gosh. Merry Christmas.
Is there an unspoken rule that says that you can only sneeze after you just applied mascara?
Because I can feel, you know, like I got so much, I can feel the difference between like it's coming on or it's done. I know it gets used to something, and I could tell when if I waited out long enough, it'll come again. But I think I'm That's all I got.
You know, I was thinking about.
Do you want to know something that makes me want to punch a baby in the face? It's when you sneeze and you're this close to ejaculating the snot out of your nostrils and it disappears.
I was going to say that.
What the fuck? Oh, why are you being such a tease? Oh, when did you go? It's happened 3 times. 3 times. What the fuck? It's like someone rubbing your bean until you're almost about to orgasm and they stop. You wanna fight? I feel like at this point I have no choice. It didn't work.
Just.
Woo!
Sorry. Bless you. Thanks.
This is gonna be an unboxing video, but I need to start over. Ew, you guys, check your teeth. Jesus. God. Mess. Send help.
Yeah.
Okay, first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
Shit! Craig and Data. Oh. Just the I need to see.
Yo, what's up, OG, triple OG, OG, triple, triple, OG?
You got out last night? I ain't seen y'all in about 12 years.
I know, I was little. I was
Yeah,
about
you grown up now, though. Give me a hug, dawg.
I'm about to go.
Yeah. It's cool, dog. It's cool. Okay. Yeah, right there. Group hug.
Come on, Craig.
All right, come here. Get your ass over here. Talk to you for a minute.
What's up, dog?
What's up, nigga? It's good to be home. You know what I'm saying? Cause in the prison, dog. Hey, ain't nothing but the fellas, nigga.
I heard. That's what I heard.
Man,
I swear.
Hey,
man.
we got to care about each other.
Yeah,
that's real. That's right. That's right.
I'm feeling you, buddy.
I heard you mother ain't paid your rent this month. Stuck in the Dodge with moms.
Get your titty off my chin.
Show up here tonight without that rent money, and we gonna get real mother and acquainted.
I can't breathe. That's what he can't breathe.
You did.
I'm feeling you, dog.
Good.
Trust, digging it.
Good.
Shit,
Cause I'ma
dog.
only say this shit once.
Come on, man. Let's go.
Yeah, y'all look good in y'all little tight ass rent-a-cop outfits. Merry Christmas, niggas. Shit, man.